Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we are picking few cards, guys. Taurus, if you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment, guys. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. So these are for your general energies. This card is for your relationship and this card is for your career circumstance, Taurus. And today we'll be picking one card for your moon energies. This card I will leave it here and cookie for you all today, guys. So we will see what it is as we proceed into the reading, Taurus. And Taurus, if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a very good friend of mine, an intuitive reader, doing personal readings in Fiverr. So if you are interested, you can contact her, guys. So I'll be sharing her link in the description. So you can check that out if you want it, guys, Taurus. So let's start with these cards for your general energies today. We have Three of Swords, Queen of Pentacles, Page of Wands in reverse. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work situation or maybe in your relationship, you are a very caring and loving person, Taurus. So you try to be really kind, helpful with the people you are with, maybe in your work. You have a good communication skill, helping others in whatever way possible for you. And you are a very kind hearted person. So, generally, people love to be with you because of your kind nature. And today, in your circumstances, guys, you are seeing something confusing you, something is really difficult for you to handle. So, it may be a circumstance in this relationship. Maybe you have some plans, you love this person, you are making some plans, but the way this person is, maybe they have an indifferent attitude towards you. They do not show any interest in you. And they are, what to say, having some kind of, what to say, they are not showing any interest in you or this relationship. And maybe, Taurus, the reason may be there may be someone else interesting them, or they may have some other distractions. So, for most of you, I see that this person has moved on. They are seeing someone else, and that may be the reason they lack interest in this relationship. And however hard you are trying, guys, you may try to, what to say, get back this person. You are quite stubborn in your stand. Maybe you want them back. You just wish for them to come back to you. And you are trying your best, but still, this person may not come back to you, guys. So, and though you are thinking of forgiving them for what they did and trying to understand, trying to bring that understanding in this relationship, this person may not make any efforts, maybe because they are not truly interested in you, guys, and they do not want this love, want this relationship with you. And instead of trying to, what to say, maybe reconcile or forgive and forget you, They are going for some kind of a negative uh, announcement. Maybe they may come with something important to tell you, and it is a very difficult time for you guys, Taurus. That is what I see. So in this relationship, things are taking a bad turn, maybe a wrong turn, and it is quite a difficult time for you. That is what I see, guys, with these cards. So let's see what is the card we picked for your relationship. We picked one card, and it is Page of Cups in reverse. So the reason this person feels this way, maybe, guys, they are against you, though you love them and though you want to forgive and try to work things out between you both, things are not shaping up because maybe someone is influencing them, guys. Someone is what to say, having that power over this person. They are influencing them in the wrong way. That may be the reason they are so stubborn, holding on to their, what to say, their way of things. So they don't want to change for anyone, not even you, Taurus. So for your work circumstances, we picked one card, guys. Let's see what it is. It is Two of Wands. So looks like things are really shaping up in your career circumstances. You have seen some good changes, happy for it, and you are waiting for more opportunities to come your way. You have achieved certain goals for yourself and you are waiting for more opportunities to come in your way today, guys, Taurus. So for your moon energies, Taurus, let's see what is the card. We picked one card. You and your loved ones are safe. New moon in Cancer. So today it's going to be a very emotional time for you guys. But with this card, whatever happens in your life, whatever happens next, it's going to be in your favor, guys. And maybe this card points out to something new coming in your personal life, maybe in this relationship. And maybe if you are having some difficult relationship with someone close, maybe your family member or a friend, you need to reconnect with them. Or if it is yourself, maybe you are avoiding you are not taking care of yourself. You must nurture yourself, take care of your health, guys. That is going to help you a lot. And if you are feeling really insecure, sad, or lost, you can take up meditation, Taurus, if you are interested. That is going to help you. That is going to make you feel more confident and peaceful today, guys. So whatever happens next is going to be the right thing for you, Taurus. You need not worry. So let's see what is your fortune cookie for today. Property. A property purchase or sale for many, but heed security concerns in any transaction. So good lucrative opportunities are coming your way in your life today, Taurus. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Taurus.